Hello, hi. So my ears haven't stopped ringing in 6 years. Let's rewind a little bit. 6 years ago. It's the last time I heard proper silence. There she is, full-blown metalhead Cammy. By the way, this is Zen. He's the rough vocalist of one of my favorite metal bands, Neobla Viscaris. Like, I was full-blown metalhead. I went to Switzerland to see Behemoth. I actually went to go see Magua, but I missed their set. We're not going to talk about that. And here, as you see, September 23rd, 2016 was the night I went to go see Swallow the Sun, aka the last night I heard fucking silence. Listen, I had metalheads always telling me, wear your fucking earplugs, but I was like, that is so not metal to wear earplugs to a show. I was such a dumbass. I somehow managed to go to like dozens and dozens of shows unharmed, but that night when I saw Swallow the Sun, I didn't wear my earplugs and I got tinnitus. I woke up, my ears were ringing, and I was like, oh, it's gonna go away tomorrow. A couple days passed, and I was like, oh, it's gonna go away next week. 6 years later, it's still here. I was just thinking about this because I'm wearing a beanie today, and it like kind of cuffs my ears, which makes my tinnitus worse, and I was like, if only I just listened when they said wear your earplugs. So if you are a metalhead or even like a rocker like me, even if you're coming to my shows, please wear your earplugs. I miss silence. I can't even sleep in silence anymore. I have to have some kind of sound to like buffer the ringing or I will lose my fucking mind. There are certain medications that makes the ringing louder. Like I had tried to be on an antidepressant and it made the ringing so loud. Like, guys, wear your earplugs. Wear your earplugs, please. It is metal. You know what's not metal? Having a ringing in your ears. Anyways, happy I think it's Wednesday. Bye. Rock on.